Hi there, welcome to Sunnyside Journals. I'm Catherine. I have a teeny tiny little thrift haul today. I just popped into my store, one of my stores, and I'm ever glad I did. I did okay. Just found a few little things. Actually, I found a few books. We'll get to those, which made me realize, you know what? I got so many books. I need to get my posterior in gear and start making more beautiful journals with these beautiful books. Anyhow, I have no idea what this is. It was all sealed up. They said, but you're buying it as is, and I could see King George and Queen Mary on the cover. So for $1.99, I'll take a risk on King George and Queen Mary. Let's see what's in here. It seems to be a bundle of goodies. It looks like it said auction collectibles, so I wonder if they were originally, this particular thrift store also does auctions, so I wonder if they originally were up for auction and nobody snagged them. So let's see, I'll get you out of the way. So the King's Reign told in pictures. Oh, these are lovely. Oh, there's the Duke of York. He's the one that gave up the throne for Wallace Simpson. Wow. Okay, there's some lovely photos in here. Oh, the Lusitania. Wow. Amazing. Okay. This is nice. The Mayfly. Okay, I'm going to definitely read through this. Oh, there he is. Coronation. Wow. Isn't that something? Well, it says he's in the late 1930s. Huh. Well, I even like the cover. Oh, there they are. King George and Queen Mary. Wow. Okay. Now, what are these? Look, discovery of gold in the Klondike. Oh. Well, you know me and laxative ads. Huh. All right. Oh. Now, don't think that's not always, a swastika wasn't always a symbol of the Nazi party. They took it over and, of course, have since given it a bad name. I don't see any date on this. Records of Erie Incorporated, Erie, Pennsylvania. I like Erie, Pennsylvania. We want you to try our medicines. Jeepers, I wonder how old this is. I may have to look these up because it looks like progress. Who, when, where. It looks like a little newsletter. That a pharmacy put out. Radio. I love the illustrations on the cover. Huh. I'm not seeing a date anywhere. Oh, wait. No, I thought I saw a date. No date. Dr. Miles Company. It sounds like a snake oil company. It looks like they have a cure for anything that ails you. Oh, look, Dr. Miles laxative tablets. Well, that'll keep me going. Magic. And Oh, look at Dr. Miles anti-pain pills. A headache is no joke. Eckards of Erie. Yeah. Boy, these really look the beginning of the last century, I think. All right. Oh, that's a little alarming. What's this? Washington, D.C., our nation's capital in full color. Now, somebody has written on it in pencil 1950. Ever so lightly. Wow, not sure if I'll ever use this. It's very pretty. The cherry blossoms are lovely. Now that's beautiful. Famous women of the world. Love it. I still don't see a date anywhere. Oh, look. A good laxative is always needed. Free trial bottles, Monticello, Illinois. Wow. You know what? Queen Victoria is listed, and if she's dead, then we know it's after what, 1901? So, first woman educator, woman. Where are you, Victoria? Because I saw that you were in the list. Woman painter, famous nurse. Oh, there's Queen Victoria. Oh, so she's dead. So we know that this is older than 1902. Or pardon me, after 1902. Okay. Legends of old. It looks like it's all from that same little company that wants you to buy all their... Well, those are kind of interesting illustrations. This was still worth the chance for $1.99. I think it's the exact same one. There's two of them here. Historic Old New Orleans. I've never been to New Orleans. My husband's been, but I haven't been. That's pretty. Very pretty. Okay. Well, I don't know. Oh, and the turkey and other good things. Oh. Okay, this is kind of cute. It's all about your wherever aluminum roaster. All right. Well, you know what? Even if it's just for that, that was worth $1.99. I don't mind that. I just grabbed this. I'm still in panic mode about running short of my off-white colored lace, and those edgings are very nice, and they could be used in a junk journal, and it was $1.49. So it's old. This is the embroidery thread is really starting to wear down. Those little knobs, those little French knots are really loose. Anyhow, I only want it for the lace edging, so I'll probably just remove it and put it in with my laces. Now, I found some interesting books, just 4. One of them's in very sad shape, but I'm not afraid of sad shape books anymore. So this one's in sad shape, but I loved the cheeky title, Too Smart for Love. And I have some old Valentines, so even a vintage Valentine on the front might be cute for that. Needs a bit of cleaning up, and it's it's obviously, I think it got used for for shooting practice. But now I know that there are fun ways to cover that up with a beautiful, some lace, you know, a collage of laces and buttons, or a beautiful brooch with some lace. I think this could be a really, really cute book. 1937, so it's old. It's vintage, that's for sure. So cute. I like that. I liked this book. No laughing, Nancy. The religious books find me. I think I have a spiritual heart. They hunt me down, the religious books. This one, I had to research it because I don't read German, but apparently that means church book. And it's actually a book about just the ins and outs of the church services for the Lutheran Church, which is kind of nice. And it is, it has the most beautiful font throughout the whole book. Let me lift it up. Look how pretty the font is in the whole book. It's very pretty. I can't find a date of publication for it. I found several different copies of it online, like if you go to Abe Books, sites like Abe Books. It just feels too nice to be, there's a date in the front here that says 1877, and there's just no way that it's 1877. It feels in too nice of condition, and I'm wondering if it just means that it was first published in 1877. Because there's just no way this book is from 1877. It's so lovely. The pages are strong, they're nice. It's definitely old. For sure it's old. But it's not 1877. But I thought it would make a beautiful journal. Hold on. I always like to play around. Oh, come on, you. There we go. Hold on. I'm still here. I should have been prepared. You know me. I like to imagine in my head what it might look like. I think that's really pretty. And it's such a nice size. It's got very, very faint embossing on it. I don't know if you can see. And it says here in German, a mighty fortress is our Lord, which, a mighty fortress is our God. That's right, God, not Lord. Which is a hymn, one of the hymns that Martin Luther wrote. So, I think this could be very pretty. The writing is right there. You can barely see it. So, perhaps the book plate would look nicer right at the bottom right there. I think that would look gorgeous. We'll see. Someday when I get to it. The next one's kind of plain, but I love the spine. And the plain means that I could have fun and put, you know, some artwork on it. But the spine's very beautiful. Very pretty. A Guide to Great Orchestral Music. I'm not sure what year this is. It's not that old. (1943). So I like it. I think that would look pretty with a portrait or some kind of, you know, Renaissance painting. This next book is the winner of the day. It's beautiful. It is from 1900 and it's still in beautiful condition. I love the salutation in it, the dedication, I guess. It's dedicated to Maurice J. Clausen, Thanksgiving's Day, 1901, from Father. Isn't that lovely? And then a few pages in, the publication date is actually 1900. And it's full of illustrations, but they're all black and white, but they're still really, really pretty. Look how lovely that is. Isn't that pretty? This book is going to be a pleasure. I like it. Oh, they're beautiful. It's a little different for me. Usually I find old books when they have embossed lettering on them, it's in gold, and this one is in silver. So I think that's really pretty and really different, and it's 120 years old, so it's in lovely condition for 120 years old. And like I said, it's so much fun when you still have the original inscription in the front. Very pretty. So that's it. It was just a teensy thrift haul, but it was fun. So I won't keep you any longer. I got work to do. You take care, and I hope the rest of your day goes great. We'll talk soon. Bye.